Hi, so I'm going to give you guys a demo on how to generate a full stack application using Claude Code. We'll start by giving product requirement document and it will generate a complete working system with front end, back end and database integrated. The project that we're going to create is called Virtual School. This is a e-learning platform that will allow students to take live classes, communicate with teachers, track their attendance, and submit assignments. While it will also give administrators power to manage courses, attendance, and all the users. So I'm going to start by giving GPT a prompt, the PRD document, to generate a prompt that we will use in Claude so that Claude will have clarity and precision on what to build. Okay, so as a first step, I provide the project requirements to ChatGPT along with the PRD file. I ask it to analyze the requirements and generate a comprehensive master prompt that can be passed directly to Claude Code. This prompt includes all technical specifications such as the backend in Node.js, frontend in React, PostgreSQL database, and the requirements for a clean UI. Next, I move to the terminal, navigate to my working directory, and initiate the Claude code. After initialization, I paste the previously generated master prompt file and instruct Claude Code to start building the application. At this point, Claude automatically generates a Claude MD file that defines the project structure and understands the context of what needs to be built. As you can see, I will be pasting the generated prompt that I generated using ChatGPT. The project.txt file will have all the specifications of the prompt. I set up the backend services, front-end application and database schema. Everything will be done by Claude Code automatically. Claude is now reading the prompt file that I have given in the txt in the folder of the document. Now you can see that the backend setup for schema, the domain routes and controllers, config files, front-end shared components, dashboard pages, and the feature pages, everything is being initiated right now. You can see it installing dependencies and configuring the project structure without any manual setup. Now I have asked Claude to show the backend and front end, and on the screen you can see that the schema is synced and all the database is now connected. Claude now generates the complete backend Node.js and connects with PostgreSQL. It also creates database schema and performs migration or synchronization steps. Claude handles the setup and starts the deployment and development environment as well. It provides a local server URL where both services are running. This means that a full stack application is now live on my local machine without me manually configuring any services. Now you can see this is the virtual school city, the project that I gave Claude to generate. This will have everything from a student point of view, an admin point of view, and a teacher point of view. This is the login screen. Now I'm entering the credentials and this is the student dashboard. You can see the courses, the assignments, the tutor pages and everything else as well. Now I am joining in as a admin. Now admin will have the total number of users. This will include student, parent, teacher, the courses that are included here, and you will have also the option to manage courses, manage users, the tutor request, or if you want to make any announcement, there's that as well. In the users section, you guys can see the recent courses and everything, the tutors that have enrolled in the system, any requests from the tutors. Now I'm going to make an announcement from an admin page that will be enabled and visible to users and teachers when they use their user interface. So this is an announcement for mid exams. You guys can see everything from the UI to the backend is done by Claude Code and nothing is done from anything manually. It's basically just a prompt. I just accepted and denied a few permissions, and then this is built. Now I'm logging in into the system as a teacher. This is the teacher dashboard. You guys can see the courses that the teacher is studying, the assignments that the teacher have to grade, or if you want to create an assignment for students, you can do that as well. I'm going to add a little bit of description of what the quiz will be. You can also select a course or due date for the assignment. So this is where you can see the submission of the assignments, the attendance of the students if you want to select a particular course and see the attendance. This is the announcement that I made from the admin side. Now I'm going to log in as a student. That's the third interface, the third dashboard. From a student point of view, you can see this the announcement that was there, that was made by the admin. Now this is the live class feature that user can attend by entering a Google Meet link and joining it. So this is the teacher scheduling a class, and now for the next part you guys can see that a student can go in and attend those lecture with the scheduled time and anything. So yes, here you can see the announcement for the live class that the teacher made earlier. All the courses that a student is enrolled in, and here I am joining the class as a student. So all in all, that you guys can see that a Claude Code is so powerful for accelerating a full stack development that from a single PRD and well structured prompt, I was able to generate a working application in one continuous workflow. So this workflow reduces the development time from days to minutes. All this because we let AI handle the strong engineering foundational setup. You can see this demo and let us know.